In this video, I'm going to show you guys two ways to restore your headlights. So if your headlights are getting yellowish like this one is, as you can see over here, it's more yellow. I'm going to show you guys two ways, and that's by sanding the headlight using 2000 grit sandpaper. And the first way is by the easiest way and cheaper way. It's by just using the clear, and the other way is by sanding it and by buffing it. I'm gonna be using this Meguiar's the swirl remover, the number 9. So I'm gonna buff it using this buffer over here, and then at the end I'm gonna spray a coat of clear. So this clear I bought it at AutoZone. It was only $10. Maybe if you want to do a better quality, you can go to a automotive place where they sell the better paints, so you can get better quality. And this is just a Meguiar swirl remover, the number 9, and I'm using this type of pad. I also bought this at AutoZone. I think I paid like $6. And this is the type of sandpaper I'm gonna be using, the wet sandpaper. So the first thing you gotta do is clean your headlight so you can start sanding it. So we're gonna be using just water and this soap, just regular dish soap, just to wipe out the headlight. So we're gonna start sanding the headlight. So you gotta get the headlight just how it looks right now, all hazy. You can see right here is wet, but you gotta leave it like this, how it is on this side. So this side, I'm only gonna be using clear, and on this side, we're gonna buff it and put some clear coat, so you can see the difference. So as you can see, we cleaned the headlight already. So now we're gonna buff the whole headlight using the Meguiar. Just make sure you shake the bottle before you put it in there. So on the buffer, we're gonna be using the 1000 RPMs. So we buffed the headlight, the whole headlight, and this is the way it looks by just buffing it. Right here on top, it didn't clear. It didn't clear out because it's from the inside, so there's nothing you can do in there. But the rest of the headlight looks pretty good on the outside. As you can see right here, it looks better than it was. So right now we're gonna sandpaper this again, and then we're gonna put up a piece of tape on the half of the headlight. So this side, we're just gonna clear, put a clear coat, and on this side is gonna be buffed, and at the end we're gonna put a clear coat. So now we're just gonna dry the whole headlight. So we're gonna take off the headlight from the truck, so we don't overspray the rest of the truck. It's up to you if you want to take off the headlight or if you just want to cover the rest of the truck so you don't overspray. So we're gonna clean the whole headlight using rubbing alcohol so that the clear coat will stick better to the headlight. So just make sure once you apply the alcohol, make sure the whole headlight is dry. So now it's ready. We're gonna be spraying the clear coat now. So we're gonna be doing the first coat, and once we do the first coat, we're gonna leave it dry for like 10 minutes. And then we're gonna do the second one and then let it dry for another 10 minutes and do the third coat. So that's the first coat. We're gonna let it dry and do the second one in 10 minutes. So 10 minutes have passed. We're gonna do the next coat. And that's the way it looks, 2 coats. So we're gonna wait another 10 minutes and do the last one. So we're gonna do the last coat. So that's the way it looks with the last coat. We're only gonna do 3. You can do however many coats you want to do, but right now it looks good, so that's all we're gonna do. So on the left side, it was only wet sanded and with the clear, and on the right side it was buffed, wet sand, buffed, and with the clear. So you can see the difference. They both look good. It depends however you want to do it. So we're gonna restore these headlights on this car. This is a car we don't longer use. As you can see, they're all yellow now. So we're gonna be doing the same steps. So on this one, on the left side, we're only going to sand it and put a clear coat. And on the right side, we're only gonna sand it and buff it. So you can see the difference. So again, just make sure you sand the whole headlight till the headlight turns hazy. So when you first start sanding, you're gonna notice that the water comes out yellow. So just keep on sanding till the water is clear. That's when you're gonna know that the headlight is ready to be buffed or sprayed with a clear coat. So now we're just gonna dry the headlights. As you can see, it looks hazy. So now the headlight is dry. We're gonna start doing the first coat of clear. We're not gonna cover this car because we don't use this car no more. So when you start putting the clear, make sure you go from left to right. As you can see, it's coming out very good. So we're gonna do the second coat. We let it dry for 10 minutes. So that's the second coat. We're gonna do 3 coatings. So we're gonna let it dry for another 10 minutes. So this is the last coat. And that's how it came out. So just let it dry for a long time before you drive. And as you can see, it looks very good. Comparing it how it was. So this headlight was only sanded and 3 layers of clear. So now we're gonna buff this one. This one was only sanded. We just gonna buff it, and we're not gonna put clear on this one, so you can see the difference. So we're gonna apply the compound and just buff it. So this is how it came out. This side was only sanded and buffed. As you can see, it looks very good. And on this side, it was only sanded and 3 layers of clear. And as you can see, it looks very good. So this is how they look now. And thanks for watching.